headed to the New Orleans Jazz Museum. It closes at 4. It's about 3:10. That should be enough time, but the building is kind of big, so I don't know. We're gonna see. Closes at 4 o'clock. This is a Louisiana State Museum. Whew, that little walk looks something. All right, we are in the Jazz Museum, checking out some of this history. All right. Oh, look at him when he was younger. I don't know who he is, but his name is Dave Bartholomew. And this is him when he's older. Huh. Black faces everywhere. I love it. I love it. Shake your hips, Louisiana blues. Shake your hips. Don't move your head, move your hands. Don't move your lips, shake your hips.